Hi traders, in this video we're looking at the MADdash Indicator for MT4. This tool, short for Moving Average Distance Dashboard, evaluates the strength of various currency pairs by calculating the distance for moving averages across multiple time frames, displaying results in a comprehensive table that shows its major currencies and cross pairs. In this video you'll see how the indicator works, what information is displayed, and which trading strategies are utilized. The MADdash consumes an entire chart displaying a comprehensive table on the left-hand side that lists its major currencies: USD, Euro, Japanese Yen, Great British Pound, Australian Dollars, Canadian Dollars, CHF, and SD, along with various cross pairs. The indicator operates on short time frames including 1 minute, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, and 1 hour charts, making it particularly suitable for scalping or day trading strategies. Each row provides a detailed overview of a specific currency pair and its distance for moving averages across the mentioned timeframes. Based on the momentum trading concept, a larger distance indicates higher likelihood of continuation in the current direction. As you can see on the chart, this is for the US dollar. It displays the M1, M5, M15, M30, and 1 hour time frame. And it does like that for the rest of the currency pairs, with the cross pairs beneath them. Now you can adjust these time frames, you can adjust the moving average methods for each of the individual blocks. As we can see here, also decide whether to show particular currency. You can adjust the settings, either going for more or less depending on your style. As you can see, we have removed the Australian dollars. It is no longer available here. It is suitable for scalpers, day traders, currency strength analysts, and multi-pair monitors. Its strengths include confirmation of trends, currency strength analysis across multiple pairs. It's also suitable for short-term strategies and risk management support. However, there are no guarantees in trading with inherent risk. It also requires skill development and understanding of market complexities, and demands effective risk management with stop loss orders and position sizing. It requires emotional control to avoid impulsive decisions, which should be used with sound risk management principle in conjunction with other analysis. It might also be overwhelming as the information might be too much for most traders. You can download the MADdash Indicator from MT4 using the link in the description below. This overview from the Forex Geek shows how calculating distance for moving averages across multiple currency pairs and timeframes provides valuable currency strength insights. If you like dashboard tools that analyze multiple pairs simultaneously, subscribe to the Forex Geek and turn on notifications for more tutorials.